Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we discussed about natural radioactivity decay. So, alpha decay, beta decay, and gamma decay, and discuss their properties. Today, we are going to explain law of radioactivity decay. Law of radioactivity decay, one of the important one. So, according to law of radioactivity decay, the rate of radioactivity decay minus dN by dt. So this should be the rate of radioactivity decay is directly proportional to the number of nuclei at present. So let us take one radioactivity sample. The rate of radioactivity decay is directly proportional to the number of nucleons present at that time is called as law of radioactivity decay. So the radioactivity decay does not depend on physical conditions like temperature and pressure. Okay, so let us prove the law of radioactivity decay. So consider a t is equal to 0 second. So N naught is the number of nucleons. Number of nucleons is N naught. At t is equal to at present t is equal to the number of nucleons in the radioactivity sample capital N. Here dN by dt. So dN by dt means here the rate of radioactivity decay minus dN by dt is directly proportional to the number of nucleons at present. Minus dN by dt directly proportional to n. So when we are reducing proportionality here, lambda into n. So lambda is called as proportional constant and also known as decay constant. So decay constant. This is called as decay constant. So the equation also written as dN by dt. So minus dN by dt should be equal to minus lambda into n. Okay, and also written as dN by n is equal to minus lambda into dt. So by integrating in both sides, so integration dN by n is equal to minus lambda into integration dt. Here 1 by n dn. We know that integration 1 by x dx is equal to log x. According to mathematical principle, 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Here 1 by n dn is equal to log n. Log n is equal to minus lambda integration dt t plus c. C is called so here log, this is equation number 1. Okay, log n is equal to minus lambda t plus c. C is called as integration constant. So when t is equal to 0, what happened? When t is equal to 0, n is equal to n naught. The equation are written as log n naught is equal to minus lambda t. So lambda t means that is 0 plus c. Here c is equal to log n naught. This is equation number 2. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. So according to equation 1, log n is equal to minus lambda t into c is equal to log n naught. Right? So the equation also written as log n minus log n naught is equal to minus lambda t. Log a minus log b. Log a by b. Log a by b. Log n by n naught is equal to e power minus lambda t. Okay. So lambda t. So applying both sides log. So when the equation also written as n by n naught is equal to e power minus lambda t. So when reducing the log here, exponential e power minus lambda t. So n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. So this equation is known as law of radioactivity decay. So according to this equation, the radioactivity decay decreases exponentially with increasing time. With increasing time, so the radioactivity decay decreases exponentially. This equation also known as exponential equation. So n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. From this equation we can write down the time t is equal to 1 by lambda log n naught by n. Okay, so n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. This equation represents law of radioactivity decay. Okay, so next one is activity, radioactivity. So according to activity is denoted by R. The decay rate is called activity. The activity is denoted by R. R is equal to dN by dt. So d by dt of, instead of n naught e power minus lambda t substitute. So that is equal to lambda into, when derivating with respect to t, minus lambda into n naught e power minus lambda t. So R is called activity. The decay rate is called activity. R, the decay per unit time is called as activity. So SI units of activity, becquerel, and also measured in Rutherford, and also measured in Curie. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 decay per 1 second, and Rutherford is equal to 10 to the power of 6 decay per second, and 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 per decay per second. So SI unit of radioactivity unit, becquerel, Rutherford and Curie. We are using 3 types of units. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 decay per second, 1 Rutherford is equal to 10 to the power of 6 decay per second, 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 decay per second. Thank you.